student, in the previous video of the chapter 4 Geography Climate, we discussed about the mechanism of monsoon. In India, the monsoon begins early in June and ends in mid-September. It lasts for 100 to 120 days. And before the monsoon will enter the Indian subcontinent, they encounter various atmospheric conditions. On their way over the warm tropical sails, as a result, these winds are pulsating in nature and not steady. Due to this monsoon, around with certain downpour of rainfall that continues for several days, are known as monsoon bursts and can be easily distinguished from pre-monsoon shower. Southwest monsoons arrives on the Indian landmass into two branches, through the Arabian Sea branch and through the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea side of the southwest monsoon first hit the western Ghats of Kerala, then the monsoon winds moved in the northern part of the country. The Bay of Bengal's branch side of monsoon flow over the Bay of Bengal region and hit towards the eastern Himalaya and gives rain to the northeast India, Bangladesh and the West Bengal. The lofty mountains causes a monsoon wind deflects towards the west over the Ganga plains. The Arabian Sea branch of monsoon is quite strong compared to the Bay of Bengal branch. And the reason behind it, that is because of the existence of the Thar desert. That is a region of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Always remember that Kerala is the first state in India to receive southwest monsoon rain. And in the territories, Andaman and Nicobar is the first union territory to receive southwest monsoon rain. Because if you look at the pattern of the south monsoon wind, as soon as the rain hit the tip of the southernmost points of Indian subcontinent, a good amount of high velocity wind travel over the open region of Lakshadweep Sea and hit the territory of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The southwest wind hit the Kerala coast by 1st June and moved swiftly to cover the entire subcontinent by the 15th July. The weather condition all over the country changed with the onset of the monsoon winds. This season will characterized by high heat, high humidity, extensive clouding and separate belts of moderate to heavy rains with strong surface wind. The ITCZ gradually start moving to the south of equator. Now winds get total reversal in the direction of the trade winds. The continent cools rapidly, forming a large area of high pressure over the North Central Asia, known as Siberian High, and a smaller area over India. Now the dry, cold area of the continent blow offshore, create dry monsoon region. The monsoon start retreating from the northwest India by September and completely draw from this region. Expect the southern peninsula by mid-October. Unlike the southern burst of the advancing monsoon, the withdrawal is rather gradual, take about 3 months. The retreating monsoon pick up the moisture from Bay of Bengal and establish over the Tamil Nadu coast and the east coast of the Sri Lanka. The Tamil Nadu coast, which remained dry during the southwest monsoon period, receive its rainfall from northeast monsoon winds in the month of the December. And by early December, the monsoon has withdrawn from the rest of the countries. The islands receive very first monsoon shower progressively from south to north from the first week of April to the first week of May, and the withdrawal take place progressively from north to the south from the first week of the December to the first week of the January. And by this time, the rest of the country is already under the influence of the winter monsoons. In the next video, we will discuss about the season of India. Now topic related these questions you have to do on your fair notebook.